Hello, everybody. How are you guys doing? Today I have been plant shopping, and look, I got finally found me some more strawberries, and she is looking beautiful. Got a little flower there already. I also picked me up another cucumber. Said, why not, right? Why not? Can't never go wrong. So I have some more of these, some cucumbers, and I'm gonna try them, see how that works. And I also got some more soil. And this time I'm going to try some different ones to give my plants a little bit more food. So I went and got me some. I got this from Walmart, some raised bed soil. I also got some of these, oops, upside down, to try to hold my chicken fence up to give it a little bit more security. Because you know, with rain and wind, things can go haywire sometimes. So let me show you my second one. I got some new strawberries. Another, this is my second pot. And I'm going to clip some of this off, some of that dead off, and some of those little yellow leaves so it don't spread. So let's see how this goes. My little Malcolm, he loves strawberries. So I'm going to see how that go and just stay tuned.